Hello guys, what is up? It is Aditya here, and today we have a new gun for you guys, which is the AK-102. So starting from the stock, here we have the stock. As you can see, here we have the stock. Actually all stocks of the AK are mostly same. And here we have the detailings, as you can see, and the pistol grip, which is a little bit different than AK-101, and the dust cover, as you can see. And here are the safety. As you can see, that charging handle can move like this. And here we have the magazine, and then here we have the adjustable rear sights. As you can see, it can be adjusted like this. And then here we have the hand guard and the barrel and the gas tube attached with the iron sights and the compensator. As you can see, AKS 74 you like compensator. And here we have the magazine, as you can see. Let's check the gun overview. So here we have the gun, as you can see, 89 centimeters in length, as you can see. Let's check the iron sights of this gun. So here we have the iron sights for this gun, as you can see. All iron sights of this AK, all the AK's iron sights are mostly same, but some are not same. As you can see, let's reload the gun and see how it will feel. So here we have the gun. We have taken out the magazine.